WSO2 integration, a robust and comprehensive platform for integrating various systems and applications. Let's delve into the basics to help you master this powerful tool. 1. Understanding integration. Integration refers to the process of connecting different systems, applications, or services to enable seamless communication and data exchange between them. WSO2 integration provides a centralized platform to facilitate this integration. 2. WSO2 integration platform. The WSO2 integration platform is a collection of tools, frameworks, and capabilities designed to simplify and streamline the integration process. It includes several components such as WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI, WSO2 API Manager, and WSO2 Identity Server. 3. WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI. WSO2 EI is the core integration runtime component of the WSO2 integration platform. It provides a unified platform for building, deploying, and managing integrations. EI supports various integration styles, including message-oriented, service-oriented, and event-driven architectures. 4. Integration patterns. WSO2 EI supports a wide range of integration patterns to address different integration scenarios. These patterns include content-based routing, message transformation, data mapping, mediation, and more. Understanding these patterns helps you design and implement effective integrations. 5. Message brokering. WSO2 EI incorporates a high-performance message broker that facilitates reliable messaging between different components of your integration solution. It ensures that messages are delivered in the correct order, reliably, and efficiently. 6. API management. WSO2 API Manager enables you to expose your integrations as APIs, allowing external systems or applications to securely access your services. It provides capabilities for API design, publishing, versioning, security, and analytics. 7. Data integration. WSO2 EI supports data integration by providing connectors and adapters to various data sources and formats. It enables you to extract, transform, and load data from disparate systems, ensuring seamless data synchronization and integration. 8. Monitoring and management. WSO2 integration platform offers comprehensive monitoring and management capabilities to ensure the smooth operation of your integration solutions. It provides real-time monitoring, logging, and analytics to help you identify and resolve issues promptly. 9. Security and governance. WSO2 integration platform emphasizes security and governance. It provides features like identity and access management, encryption, authentication, and authorization to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of your integration solutions. 10. Extensibility and customization. WSO2 integration platform is highly extensible and customizable. It supports various scripting languages, such as JavaScript and Groovy, allowing you to write custom mediators, message processors, and connectors to cater to unique integration requirements. To master the basics of WSO2 integration, it is essential to explore the official documentation, tutorials, and sample projects provided by WSO2. Hands-on experience and experimenting with different integration scenarios will further enhance your understanding and proficiency. Remember, WSO2 integration is a versatile platform, and continuous learning and exploration will help you unlock its full potential for building robust and scalable integration solutions.